Phrasal verbs with turn. Turn against. Meaning: to change from supporting to opposing someone or something. For example, they turned against each other after their argument. For example, he turned against the idea once he understood its consequences. Turn away. Meaning: to refuse entry or reject someone. For example, the guard had to turn away people without tickets. Turn around. Meaning: to change direction and go or look the other way. For example, after a mile, we turned around. For example, when I heard someone calling my name, I turned around. Turn up. Meaning: to increase the volume, intensity, or level of something. For example, can you turn up the radio? It's too quiet. Meaning: to arrive or appear. For example, he did not turn up for the meeting today. Meaning: to be found or discovered unexpectedly. For example, I thought I lost my keys, but they turned up in my coat pocket. Turn down. Meaning: to decrease the volume, intensity, or level of something. For example, can you turn the TV down? It's too loud. Meaning: to reject or refuse an offer, request, invitation, etc. For example, he turned down the job offer because it required too much travel. Turn on. Meaning: to activate or start a device or system. For example, can you turn on the TV? I want to watch the news. Turn off. Meaning: to deactivate or stop a device or system. For example, can you turn off the TV? I am trying to study. Turn in. Meaning: to submit or hand in something, such as homework, a report, or an assignment. For example, he turned in his final report yesterday. Turn into. Meaning: to transform or change something from one state or condition to another. For example, caterpillars turn into butterflies. Turn over. Meaning: to do business worth a particular amount of money in a particular period of time. For example, his company turns over more than $4.5 million every year. Fill in the blanks. 1. The guard had to people because the venue was full. Turn away. 2. Means to change to the opposite direction. Turn around. 3. Please. Your homework by tomorrow morning. Four. Means to be found, especially by chance, after being lost. Turn up. 5. Means to become something. Thank you for watching and listening. Click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more videos. Don't forget to like and share.